Hello there. I don't know how many of you would do your own home cooking if you were living on your own. I kind of find home cooking it's pretty fun, and it doesn't have to be complicated at all when it comes to preparation. I've just had a bowl of noodles. It was so simple to prepare, but I have to warn you first, it doesn't look good because I didn't do any decoration or presentation. What I'm saying is, come and think about it, realistically speaking, well, as long as it's called home cooked meal, that's what we want to eat. We cook what we enjoy eating. It's not a matter of decorating, garnishing everything, right? Only when you go to a restaurant then it's nice to be served with nicely decorated food. When it comes to home cooking, we don't really have to do that, right? Well, it's fun once in a while. If you have time, then why not? We could do that too. So today, why I say that it's not nice looking, but it was tasty though, because I simply cooked everything in a pot and I just poured out everything and ate it. Hi, welcome back. Just want to talk about these noodles. I normally would rinse my noodles with hot water for a few times until the water will become clear. Otherwise, I find it's quite muddy and it's quite oily, and I am uncomfortable with that. And you might be asking, why so little noodles? I just like to cook a little bit of everything so that every time when I eat, it's always a fresh new portion of different flavor. So now I'm gonna cook this noodle soup. It's very easy to prepare. I have with me here the broccoli, which I have already scalded in hot water, and I also have the anchovies, which I have already fried, and some fish balls, mushroom, chilies, and carrots. I'm going to use this cube of flavoring stock. I won't be using the whole cube, which I think is too much for the little noodles that I'm going to cook. I'm just going to use maybe half of it, or maybe not even half, because I have that anchovies, which is very flavory. I'll come back to you shortly. You see, I put in everything to cook, to boil. As easy as that. You see, this portion, the way I cook is a little bit different. I actually literally cook everything in the pot. At times, I don't cook my noodles. I scalded the noodles and then I just pour the soup over. That is a time when I could do presentation. It looks good. Today, this looks so shabby, right? But why not? This is for home cooking, home eating. I'm not going to serve anyone. What I'm showing you is the authentic way of home cooking. I simply poured out everything from the pot and I'm going to eat it. Okay, I have this anchovies which I kept aside. I just top it up there, and I kept half of the carrots raw. I like to eat raw carrots as well. I cooked half and I left half uncooked. So I know it's tasty, but I look at it and I've tasted the soup earlier. I'm gonna eat it now. Ciao.